Photographers, do you want to stop the back and forth emails when you're trying to proof an album? Let me show you how to take all of that pain away with the Fundy Design Proofer, where your clients can comment on the designs and actually say what they want changed, where they want changed, and those comments will show up in the desktop software while you're making those changes. And as a bonus, you can upload slideshows of your clients' designs, and they're prompted to share those slideshows with their friends and family doing some marketing for you. So I'm going to show you how to dive in, get up and running with the Design Proofer, and take all that pain away. Imagine your client receives this beautiful branded email, they click Start Proofing, and they're presented with this beautiful landing page where they can proof their designs. Click Slideshow, and the slideshow will give them a beautiful view of not only their images, but any designs they want to include. This is the client view where clients can see your designs, leave comments, and send feedback. And they can proof not only their album, but any wall art and card designs you want to send. Then they can leave comments on the actual design of the album. And when they're finished, they can send those comments directly to you. You receive an email from Fundy software that shows how many comments there are, and you can click here to view that design, or you can jump into Fundy Designer, click Show Comments. You can scroll through all of the comments left in the entire project, whether they be on cards or wall art. You can then make changes to the design and then upload a new proof overriding the old one, or you can duplicate any designs using the duplicate button and upload a new version of that design. So let's show you how to create a proof. It's quite simple. Go to the proof icon, create new proof. When a proof opens, start by adding the title, and the subtitles will show here. You can add your logo. You can change this sidebar color and the text color. So really make it something that matches your brand. Then right here, this is the top down. You can choose what to include in the top down view. And then when you click on an album, you can scroll through the spreads and choose actually which spreads you want to show in that top down view. You can do the same with the rooms and the cards. Once you've completed your changes to this top-down view and the splash page that your clients will open, you can click Next, and this is where you choose which designs to include. For example, maybe you have a main album and a parent album. You can include both of those. Maybe you have a new revision of the same album. You can deselect the first album and then reselect that second album. And then we go Next, and this is where you'll choose the slideshow and what is included in the slideshow, whether it be just the images, the album, wall art, a title slide, etc., and what songs you would like to use. And the next screen is where you can set up the emails and the custom text, put the client's name, email addresses. You can put a comma and add multiple addresses, your own email address for where those email updates will come from Fundy software. Here, you can add an external link for all images. And this is great because you can link out to a PicTime gallery, Shootproof gallery, etc. that will show the clients all of the images so they can use those file names when they're making comments on the design. You can also add a pop-up to access the proof, which we showed you previously. In that pop-up, it can be an agreement or you can give instructions. Next is the announcement email subject and announcement email body, and then whether you'd like that to have sent or not. Also, you can add a reminder email that you can have sent out weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, reminding the clients that haven't proved the design. Many of these settings are optional. Additionally, once you fill out the pop-up access and the announcement and reminder access, we save those email settings for you so you don't have to type them out each and every time. Next, we will upload the proof. If you have a previous proof, it's going to ask you if you just want to update the settings, maybe just the data like the text and the email addresses, or if you want to actually overwrite that original proof. And then Fundy Designer will create all the files, upload that proof, and automatically send out an email to your client, just like we saw right here. Then the clients click start proofing and you are ready to go. And that's how the design proofer can not only help you work faster, but also make sure there are no communication errors between your client and you when you send that design off for print. And when your client has finally approved the design, they click approve for print. They let you know which designs have been approved. They're encouraged to check and initial the designs to make sure you have proof that they have been approved. They click send, and then you receive an email saying that that design has been approved and it's ready to go to print. And that is how you save time, money, and frustration with your clients. If you like that tutorial, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep sending you useful information to help you use Fundy Designer and help you make more money, save time, and just be happier.